Hey, hey. We are finna get started. Okay, the YouTube stream is live, guys. The YouTube stream is live. Okay, everybody, welcome to the stream. It's been a few days since we've been live, guys. It's been a few days. It's been a few days. It's been a few days. Okay, it's really been a few days since we were live. But we're back now, baby. We are back. 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 Somebody's watching me all the way from Colombia, Colombiana. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Um, any questions, guys? Any questions before we get started? Any questions? Anything you guys want to know? Anything specific that you guys want to know? Just let me know, guys. Just let me know. Just let me know. While you guys are thinking about your questions, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can't also live stream on my Instagram. Okay, I'm gonna try live stream on Instagram as well. I'm gonna try live stream on Instagram as well. So for the first time ever, guys, we can actually stream on 3 platforms. Okay, we can stream on 3 platforms. We can stream on 3 platforms. The indicator price is 100 USD, guys. Okay. Welcome on YouTube. 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 So we've got about 29 people on the stream right now. Welcome everybody. Welcome everybody. We've got about 600 likes real quick. Thank you so much, guys, for the likes. Thank you for the love. Thank you, guys. 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 Really do appreciate you guys. Really do appreciate you guys. Really do appreciate you guys. We're gonna get started just now. We're gonna get started just now. We are gonna get started just now. We're gonna get started just now. I think we're ready, guys, to get started. Let's just go ahead, guys. Let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead. Let's just go ahead. I think we can just get started. There's no need for us to wait. Okay? I don't think there's a need for us to wait. I think we can just go ahead and get started. Okay? Hey, what's up, Moneymaker? You didn't miss anything. We just got started right now. Okay? We just got started right now. You didn't miss anything hectic. Okay? We're just in the beginning. Okay, guys, who's ready? Who's ready? Who's ready? YouTube, are you ready? We're live on our YouTube channel. We're live on our TikTok. And we're also live on Instagram. I'm loving this multi streams. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Welcome, guys. Okay. So I hope you guys saw my recent videos, okay? I know a lot of you guys struggle with the lot sizes. So in the previous video that I posted, the latest video actually on my TikTok channel, is where I spoke about a position size calculator, okay? So that was specifically for people who are, who struggle with selecting the correct lot size. Because, hey, if you have to calculate it, it gets very complicated, right? But that app makes it very simple. All right, it makes it very simple, guys. Okay. So yeah. So now, I'm always gonna start here, guys. I'm always gonna start here. I'm always gonna start here with the with our checklist. Okay. Just write these things down, guys. Okay. Just write these things down. They're really gonna help you. All right. Okay. Wait. Hold on. Forex con. Because I always want to start here, guys. I always want to start here. Okay. All right. Okay. So, guys, Welcome everybody who just joined up. I really do appreciate you guys following me. Thank you so much, guys, for all of the thank you for all the follows. Okay, really do appreciate it. Thank you for taking me to 11,000 followers. Really do appreciate you guys. Okay, so um, now we need to discuss the business of the day, which it deals with what to do or how do you prepare to begin trading. Okay, because you need to prepare, guys, right? Before you start any type of trading, you need to be prepared. You need to know exactly what you're going to do. You need to know how to approach the markets. And, being prepared gives you some extra confidence and you know what to do and you won't panic when it's time for you to actually make decisions, okay? Because you don't want to be hesitating when you're trading. You want to be certain and you want to be decisive, okay? So, this is the 6 step process that I use to actually prepare for trading. I don't just start with opening up trades, right? But what I rather do is I have this 6 step process that helps me to determine what it is that I need to do. Okay. So this is sort of like a trading plan. Okay. This is my trading plan, right? So there's 6 important steps in our trading plan. So I'm going to try go through them very quickly. I'm not going to explain them much, but I'm gonna try just run through them quickly within 15 or 20 minutes, okay? So that we can have enough time to analyze the markets. As you guys know, this is a very big week in trading. We've got the NFP that's coming up on Friday, and then leading up to that, there's also like several economic news or news data that's going to affect the US dollar. Okay, so there's a lot of things happening in the markets, and there's a lot of money that can be made. Okay, you guys with me? All right. So, because of all of that, we need to be prepared, guys. We need to analyze properly, and then we just need to take it step by step. Don't rush the process, but like I'll try to move as quickly as I can. But if you do have questions, guys, just let me know so that I can just deal with the questions and we can iron out any confusion. Okay. All right, guys. So, um, let's start here, guys. Okay. In preparation to trade, before we start trading, we need to do number one here. You see here, number one, point number one. Okay. Point number one deals with risk management, right? Remember, guys, when you're doing Forex, when you're doing stocks, when you're doing crypto, when you're doing any type of online investment or online trading, okay, it's very high risk, which means that your capital is at risk, guys, okay? So if your capital is at risk, then you need to put in some measures to sort of protect your capital. Okay, you want to do this efficiently. You don't want to do this in a way that's going to be detrimental to you in the long run. So you need to prepare. Okay, so the first part is risk management, right? You need to fix your mindset. I would suggest if you're a new trader, right? Your mindset deals with your emotional discipline, your emotional control, and your psychology as well. Because trading isn't about um, buying or selling, okay? But there's also psychology that's involved. There's also emotions that are also involved, okay? So now you need to deal with risk management, your mindset. Okay, start with your mindset. If there's certain gaps in your knowledge, right? It doesn't hurt, guys. There's nothing wrong with you gaining more knowledge. Okay, so when you before you start trading, I would suggest that maybe you start with the basics, start learning the basics, and start learning the basics and just get to know what's happening in trading. Okay, familiarize yourself with what this is all about. Okay, I can see there's a question right there. I'm gonna answer it, guys. Don't worry, I'm not gonna ignore you. Okay, and then also, guys, when we're talking about risk management, okay, this part deals with knowing how much money you're risking per trade. Okay, because a lot of traders who struggle, if you can ask them when they open up a trade, like how much are they risking, they won't be able to tell you, because it's more of a guessing game for them. Okay, so things like lot sizes, using stop losses and take profits, managing your trades is things that you need to get accustomed to. Okay, so then if you saw my latest video that I posted, I was dealing with how to determine or how to calculate the correct lot size per trade that you want to take. Okay, so it's very, very important, because your lot size determines how much you're going to risk on a particular trade, if that makes sense. Okay, so it's very, very important. So if you don't understand, just go back and watch that video. Okay, and then you'll be able to determine how much you can use on a particular trade. Okay, and it tells you how much you'll be risking. Okay, all right, so once you've already established your risk management, we go over to point number two. Okay, this is very important, especially when you are doing forex, okay, or futures trading. You need to be able to identify the different trading sessions. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to this website right here. This is forex time converter. Okay, and this website gives you an indication of the different trading sessions. Okay, so there's three main trading sessions in forex, the ones that matter. Okay, you've got the London session, you've got the New York session, and then you've got the Tokyo session. Okay, now um, different sessions. Okay, the sessions begin and they end at different times. Okay, and then different currencies are more active during certain sessions than others. Okay, so now if you look at the London session, okay, and this is South African time, right? If you look at the London session begins at 10 a.m. South African time, and then it ends at 6 p.m. South African time. Okay, so during that time period, you can be looking at currencies that are affected by the Great British Pound, currencies that are affected by the euro. You can also look at indices that are active in that time period in the London session. Okay, so those are some of the things that you can trade. And then the next session after the London session is the New York session. Okay, so the New York session begins at 3 p.m. South African time, and then it ends at 11 p.m. South African time. And if I'm going too fast, guys, just let me know. Okay, just let me know if I'm moving too quickly. Okay, because we've still got time. I mean, the targeted trading day is Friday, right? But then obviously we also want to be making some moves before Friday as well. Okay. So we still got time, guys. So if you've got questions, just let me know. If I'm moving too quickly, just let me know. Okay. If there's something you don't understand, just let me know. Right. I can see all your comments. Okay. So yeah, the New York session begins at 3 p.m. in the afternoon, South African time, and then it ends at 11 p.m. South African time at night. Okay, so during the New York session, you can expect to look for things like gold, opportunities on gold, things like NAS 100, the NASDAQ, things like US 30, things like the SP 500, USD based pairs, USD currencies. You can look at things like crude oil, it moves in that time, silver, you know. So all those things, these are things that move in this particular time frame. Okay. So if you trade the correct session, you're trading the correct currency in the correct session, it gives you a higher probability to find good opportunities, because that's when the market is actually trading. Okay. So that's very, very important, right? And then after the New York session, you have the Tokyo session, which is the Asian session. Okay. The Asian session begins at 1 a.m. South African time. You guys see that? And then it ends at 9 a.m. South African time in the morning. Okay. So now when you get onto this website, you just need to make sure that you put the time zone, the correct time zone for where you stay at. Okay. Because we're all at different time zones. All right. So um, the Tokyo session begins at 1 a.m. South African time, and then it ends at 9 o'clock in the morning South African time. Okay. Now, what can you expect to trade in the Tokyo session? You can look for things like the JPN 225, the AUD pairs, the CAD pairs. You can look at things like the JPY pairs. Okay, those are currencies that move during that time period. Okay, so I'm showing you this because it's very important. Now, remember the way that the market works, the way that you make a profit is the price has to move from one point to the next in order for you to make a profit. Okay, so then now the market is more likely to move when it's active. Okay, so if you're trading a currency, that currency is more likely to give you opportunities if it's in the correct session because that's when the market is active. Okay, if that makes sense to someone. Okay, so those are some of the things that you need to look at. Okay, so number one, we spoke about the risk management. Number two, we spoke about identifying the trading session. Okay, so just to see, to test your understanding, guys, which trading session are we currently in right now as you are watching me live from wherever you are? I'll just give you guys 2 seconds to give me an answer. Which trading session are we in right now? Okay, okay. All right. You guys are getting it. You guys are getting it. You guys are getting it. Okay. We're in the New York session, right? We are in the New York session right now. Okay. For those of you who still don't understand, if I go back, because I don't want to leave you guys, if you come back to this website, you can see the New York session is open right now. Okay. And then it opened at 3 p.m. and then it's going to close at 11 p.m. And at the same time, guys, the London session is still open. It began at 10 a.m. and then it's going to close at 6 p.m. You guys see that? Are we still together, guys? Okay, so currently, right now, as we speak, we are in the New York session and we are in the last hour of the London session. Okay? We together, guys, right? So, all right. So, anyways, because of that fact, guys, we know that, okay, we are in the New York session, right? So the currencies and the commodities and the instruments that we should be looking out for are instruments that work in the New York session. Okay? So that's what we want. That's what we want. All right, so let's move on. Okay, so now we've identified the correct session, right? And we've identified that we are in the New York session. Okay? And then after that, guys, point number three is we need to do fundamental analysis, right? So then to do fundamental analysis, we need to go to the economic calendar. Let's just go to investing.com and .com. Just hold on, guys. I'm going there now. I'm going there now. It was actually right there on the screen. Okay. And we are going to go to, where is it? Where is it? Let me just see because TikTok doesn't want certain things happening on their website. Okay. TikTok is very strict, guys. Okay. Let me see if you guys can actually see this. Okay. All right. So now, um, all right. So point number three is the fundamental analysis. Okay. So fundamental analysis. Just hold on, guys. Okay. So fundamental analysis, guys. This is when now you look at the economic calendar to see if there's no high impact news that's going to affect the currency that you want to trade. Okay. Now, you can just type in economic calendar on Google, and then you can just pick anyone. They usually all give the same information. Okay, so it can be investing.com, it can be FX Street, it can be whatever the case may be, right? So now on this website, you can see the different news events that can potentially affect the, the currencies that we want to trade. All right. So if you look closely right now, and this is South African time, guys, for those of you who are wondering, okay? If you look closely, right now, there's a news event that was released right now at 5 p.m. It's 5 p.m. right now, South African time. And as you guys can see, this is a high impact news that affects the dollar, okay? So the reason why this is important is if you can analyze the economic data, right? Then you can know that when the market is likely to be active. Because when there's high impact news, this has an effect on how the price moves on the charts. Okay. So yeah. So that's what we have today. That's what we have today. And then tomorrow we have at 3:15 in the afternoon in the New York session, we have a lot of news events that are going to hit. Okay, we have a lot of news events that are going to hit tomorrow. So the first one that we have is the ADP non-farm payroll and employment change, blah blah blah. It's just a whole lot of stuff. So the US dollar is going to be busy from tomorrow in the New York session, going all the way up to Friday. Okay, and then on Thursday we have another news event at like 3:30 South African time during the New York session that's going to affect the US dollar. Okay. And then on Friday, we have at 3:30, we have the NFP. Okay. We have the NFP at on Friday. Okay. So it's very, very important to know this. All right. And then when we move on, we go to now this point number 4, where this is where we need to determine if we are a swing trader or a scalp trader. Okay, so if you are somebody who wants to be a scalping trader, it means you're somebody who wants to trade on the short term. Okay, and then if you want to be a swing trader, it means that you're somebody who's going to be looking for opportunities on the higher time frames. Okay, so usually when I'm analyzing the markets, I usually look at the higher time frame. Okay, so that's what I usually do. Okay, I said I was gonna go over this in 10 minutes, but yeah, we're going over time, guys. Okay, we're gonna pick up the pace just a bit, right? All right, and then point number 5 is you need to identify the trend. Okay, it's very, very important. Remember, guys, in trading, you can either buy or you can sell. Okay, you buy when you think the market's going up, and then you sell when you think the market's going down, right? And then the way the market moves, okay, the market moves in trends. So if, oh, somebody says fix the camera. My bad, dog, my bad, dog, my bad, my bad, dog, my bad, dog, my bad, dog. Okay. So if okay, look, the market moves in trends, guys. Okay. So in order for you to trade effectively and efficiently, you need to be able to identify the current trend that you're in. Okay. So The first type of trend that you'll have is an uptrend. Okay. The second type of trend is a downtrend. And the third type of trend is a sideways trend. Okay. So what you want to do is you want to be buying in an uptrend. Okay. And then you want to be selling in a downtrend. Okay. And then in a sideways trend, you want to buy or sell the rejections of the resistance and the support. Okay, so let's move backwards and let's go to the uptrend and the downtrend. So in an uptrend, you want to be looking for buy opportunities because the overall market price is pushing higher. It's going higher and higher and higher. Okay. And then in a downtrend, you want to be looking for sell opportunities because the market is pushing lower and lower and lower. Okay, so that's why you want to buy in an uptrend and then you want to sell in a downtrend. Okay, so once you've identified the trend, then now you are ready to start analyzing the market and you're ready to start looking for signals, which is what we're going to do right now. Okay, which is what we're going to do. All right, guys. So that's what we do, guys. That's what we do. So that's what we do. So once we've done all of this, okay. So this is the trading plan, guys. Okay, this is the trading plan. This is the process that we use to identify, or before we start trading. This is how we prepare to find opportunities. This is how we prepare to trade. Okay. So the first thing we do is we establish our risk management. We identify the trading session. Is it London? Is it New York? Is it Tokyo? We do fundamental analysis. We pick our trading style. Are we going to be swing trader? Are we going to be scalper? And then we identify the trend. Once we've done those things, then we can start looking for signals. Again, so that's what you need to do, guys, if you're going to prepare for trading. Okay. All right, guys, we're still together. Okay, before I move on, I can see there was somebody who asked how can I be updated with news events? Is there a website? Okay, so the website that you go to, you just type in economic calendar. Okay, that's how you identify the different news events. Okay, that's how you identify the different news events. Okay, very easy, very easy, guys. Okay. Let me just check on YouTube if we've got questions. No questions on YouTube. No questions on YouTube. Okay. Now it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. If there's no questions, there's no questions, guys. All right. So now we're just going to go ahead and look at some of the analysis. For some of the people who are new to the Telegram channel, you know, this is a learning opportunity right now. We're going to be looking for some opportunities using our trading system just to see what we can find. Okay. Let me just see on YouTube. Okay, if you guys want to see my screen, you need to go to my YouTube channel. Okay, you need to go to my YouTube channel if you want to see the screen. Okay, but yeah, so now we're just gonna go ahead and jump into the analysis part of things. Okay, we're just gonna jump into the analysis part of things right now. So because it's the New York session, guys, we're gonna start with the Forex majors. We're going to start with the Forex majors, which includes the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the AUD USD, NZD USD, USD CAD, USD JPY. Did I say USD CHF? And we're also going to look at gold. Okay, so let's just go ahead and see. Let's just go ahead and see, guys. Let's start with the Euro USD. So what I like to do, guys, when I pull up this system, okay, and just mind you, guys, whoever's going to be opening up trades right now, you need to be careful of the spread because there is a news event that just hit right now. Okay. there is a news event that just hit right now. So usually what the brokers do is they like to inflate the spread when there's a news event because of how rapidly the market will move. Then they know that usually the movements are predictable. So then a lot of traders would enter. So what they do is to deter traders, they widen the spread. So you just need to be careful of that. Mhm. All right. Damn. Okay. So now we're starting with the Euro USD. And remember our rules, guys. Okay, maybe we didn't. Let me just quickly go through our rules before I do anything else. Okay, let's just go back. Let's look at our rules, guys. Just hold on. So these are our trading rules, guys. For buy signal, okay, for buy signal, the price must be above the 100 period moving average. Volatility meter must be at 70 or above, and then we can use the trading signal, okay? And then for sell signal, the price must be underneath the 100 period moving average. The volatility meter must be at 70 or above, and then we can use the trading signals that we can see from our system. Okay. So now let's just quickly go ahead and have a look. Let's quickly go ahead and have a look. So starting on the Euro USD on the H4 chart. On the H4 chart, we don't see a signal right now. We don't see a signal right now. On the H1, we see a signal. On the 15-minute, we see a signal. We see a signal on the 15-minute. This is the Euro USD. This is the Euro USD. All right. And then, okay, so we see the signal on the 15 minutes. It's a valid signal. So that's actually a trade that we could take. But let's also keep moving on to the next ones. Let's see what's out there. Let's start with the USD CAD. Whoa, USD CAD finally hit TP. So it hit TP last week, Friday. TP3 on the daily chart. Okay, but wait, let me just keep going, guys. So USD CAD, we've got a signal on the H1. We've got a signal on the H1 on the USD CAD. Okay, we've got a signal on the H1. Okay, let's move on. To be real with you guys, I just want to get signals on the H4 chart. You know, I just want to get signals on the H4 chart. Okay, and then right now we are looking at the USD JPY. So I'm just going to go through these markets very quickly, guys, and then I'm going to pick which ones I should take. So let's keep this in mind. Euro USD, let's keep that buy in mind. Let's also keep the USD CAD in mind and the USD JPY in mind. Okay. For those of you guys who are wondering where's the chart is on TikTok. It's on Instagram. It's on Instagram. Okay, right now we're looking at the GBP USD. So let's see on the H1 chart. Okay, so GBP USD and Euro USD is giving us the same thing. It's valid trades, guys. It's valid trades based off of our trading rules. These are valid trades. They just need risk management. These are valid trades. So Euro USD is valid on the H1 and the 15-minute chart. USD CAD is valid. USD JPY on the 4 hours valid. Okay, let's see. Ooh, your boy's making moolah. Okay, let me just shift this. Okay. Okay, let's keep going. USD CHF. Let's see what's going on with it. Right now, we're looking at the USD CHF, guys. there's an indicator that I'm gonna add to the trading system, guys. So I'm probably going to upload it tomorrow, or I'm gonna upload it on Friday. Okay. There's something that I wanna add on to it. So keep your eyes peeled on the Telegram. Okay, but the rules still stay the same. Okay, USD CHF is going down. Okay, it's a valid trade on the 15-minute chart. It's also a valid trade on the H1. Okay, so the signals are making sense right now, guys. They're making sense. So if Euro USD and GBP USD are going up, it only makes sense for the USD CHF to go down. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, so let's look at the real stuff, guys. Let's look at gold. Let's look at NAS 100, and then yeah, if I open up new trades, guys, I'm gonna post them on the Telegram channel. Okay. Ooh, gold is looking mighty fine, baby. Gold is a valid signal on the H4 on the H1 chart. Damn, on the H. You see, guys, if you guys were following this system, right, hey, you would have been deep in money right now. Hey, you would have been deep in money. Because on the H4 chart, we hit TP3, which is wild. Okay, but there's still a valid trade on the H1 chart. Okay, still a valid trade on the H1 chart. It's valid based off of our trading rules. Okay, so on the H1 chart is valid. It's valid on the H1 chart. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that. No, I think gold is the one. Right? I'm gonna post the full trade on the YouTube. Right? Not on the YouTube, on the Telegram, my bad. Okay, let's go to US 30. US 30 on the daily. On the H4, no signal. H1, no signal. Okay, so we don't really have a signal on the H4 chart on US 30, right? But NAS 100 on the 15-minute we do have. Let's look at the H1. Okay, on the lower time frames we do have a signal there. Okay, so NAS 100 is looking like it's popping off right now. It looks like it's popping off right now. So what we're looking at right now, this is, let me just check. Guys, on YouTube, can you see my screen? I mean, can you see the charts? Can you guys see the charts on can you guys see the charts, guys? I think there's a bit of a lag. I don't know if it's my streaming software or what, but just let me know, guys, if you can see the charts, okay? Just let me know. Or let me just disconnect on Instagram. Guys on Instagram, just find me. Okay, you guys can actually see. Okay, you guys can see the charts. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. If you guys can see the charts, it's good. It's just that on my side. Ooh, your boy's making money right now. Okay. All right, let's keep going. So I'm gonna share the gold trade, guys. So don't worry. Gold is I'm gonna share the trade on the Telegram channel. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, which other currency do you guys want me? Because we don't have to go too crazy today, guys. Okay, we don't have to go too because today is not the day, right? Today is not the money day, guys. Okay, today is not the moolah day. The moolah day is on Thursday and Friday. The big day is Friday. But tomorrow is also a big day. Tomorrow's a very big day as well. Okay, tomorrow's a big day. Which other markets do you guys want me to? We already looked at gold. We already looked at gold. Which other one, guys? Let me just look at USD ZAR. USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR, USD ZAR. Okay. Hey, this thing is volatile. Hey, you know what, guys? You know USD ZAR, man. This used to be my favorite currency, but hey, I'm scared to trade this thing. Yeah. We also looked at NAS 100. It's going up on the 15-minute chart. It's going up on the 15-minute chart, guys. NAS 100 is going up on the 15-minute chart. Hey, USDs are. This is like, hey, if you're brave enough, you can make a lot of money with it. But hey, nah, me, because the thing is, this thing is crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. All right. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Which other one, guys, do you guys want me to? Okay, so what I'll do, guys, is I'll take the trades and then post them on my Telegram, okay? And then we're just gonna hold them. And then should there be any significant changes, but then the plan for this week is obviously is to go live in the New York session every day. And then on Friday, okay, on Thursday we're gonna do the NFP analysis, right? Thursday night. So we're probably gonna go live again at night on Thursday. Okay, but I'm gonna let you guys know on the Telegram, okay? So let's just go ahead and see which other one. Which other market, guys? Okay, let me just look at random markets because you guys, you're typing slowly. You're really typing slowly. So I'm just going to move without you. Okay, AUD USD on the H4 chart, I see nothing. On the H1 chart, we've got something. On the H1 chart, we've got something. Let's go on the 15-minute. Let's see what's going on. Okay, AUD USD, we've got a trade. Probably NZD USD, we've got a trade as well. Okay, guys, I'm just going to take these trades and then post them. Okay, I'm going to post them for you guys. All right, and then you can just check on the system what I was seeing, but usually my trades are on the H4 chart. Okay, so just look at, if you look at the H4 chart, you'll see why I actually took the trade. Right? Okay, let's go down. Okay, guys, any questions before I go? I'm gonna disconnect right now. I'm gonna disconnect right now. Any questions before I go? Link to your YouTube channel. This is Mabs Effects. Mabs Effects. So I'm gonna post the trades on the Telegram channel, guys. Okay. I'm gonna post the trades on the Telegram channel. US30, we don't have a signal right now. Okay, the Telegram channel, guys, is not a channel that's open for everyone. Only people who have purchased the trading system have access to the Telegram channel. Okay. So if you want to get access to there, then you have to buy the trading software. Okay. But you can still just follow us on YouTube. It doesn't. But the actual trades will be posted on Telegram. On Telegrams. Okay. All right, guys. So somebody's asking what time are we gonna be live tomorrow? I'll post it in the Telegram channel. I usually post it in the Telegram channel what time. We're actually supposed to go live at 3:30, but something came up, so that's why we started at 4:30. Any other questions, guys, before I leave? Any other questions, guys? Let me just check on YouTube. So how much is the trading software? It's 100 USD or 1,500 Rand. You only pay once. You need MetaTrader 4. Hey, we've got 2,000 likes on YouTube. On Instagram, we don't really have much likes. Hey, Instagram, guys, why are you guys being stingy? Give your boy some likes. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna disconnect right now, okay? I'm disconnecting right now. Disconnecting right now, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next stream, okay? Take care. Look out for my screenshot on Telegram. Cheers, guys. Disconnecting right now. So today was actually a good experiment because I'm also live on, I'm actually live streaming with my PC. So this was actually a good experiment on my side. I'm ending the stream right now, guys.